Well, this morning it's dry, but it is bitterly cold in some spots. In fact, it is 10 below right now in Logan, 10 above in Provo. It's 15 currently in Salt Lake, starting out at 8 below in Roosevelt, even colder in Vernal in the far south. Temperatures below freezing in St. George at 25. So you really have to brace yourself when you head out the door. But it's no big surprise. The cold air moved in behind our stormy weather last week, and without hardly any clouds around to trap in the heat, readings really went into a free fall again. Now today we've got a west-northwesterly flow that's continuing to keep it dry, but by tonight into tomorrow we're going to get some little disturbances caught up within that flow that are going to be bringing some clouds, and that should keep it from getting as cold tomorrow morning. Definitely some good news. And then later in the week, we'll get a storm system brushing by that'll bring a better chance of snow and break up the inversion. So that'll bring some good air quality. Today, though, might not be feeling that good. We're only going to make it to 30 in Salt Lake, so we're still running several degrees below normal for this time of year. You'll only make it up to about 10 in Logan this afternoon. A lot of valleys will be hovering in the 30s. You'll make it into the mid-40s in St. George. Valley haze in northern Utah, especially along the Wasatch Front, Cache Valley, and also parts of the Uinta Basin. Some patchy fog mainly near the Idaho border, Cache Valley extending toward Bear Lake, and that thins out later this morning. Overnight, that cloud cover, as I mentioned, will trap in some of the heat, keep it from getting as cold anyway, but you still need a good jacket. We'll drop near 20 along the Wasatch Front. Mid-20s in St. George. Otherwise, you'll hang on to sunshine in the south, and temperature in St. George will gradually climb. In fact, it looks like it'll be mid-50s over Christmas weekend. And in northern Utah, cloudy tomorrow. Wednesday, we'll get a good chance of some snow showers. A little break on Thursday. More snow possible on Friday, even though it might be fairly light. But that could complicate a little bit of holiday travel before the weekend. But Saturday and Sunday looking pretty quiet, mostly cloudy and fairly mild, with temperature climbing into the upper 30s on both days.